In electropneumatic and electrohydraulic systems, the electrical signals in the control part have to be converted into actions by the pneumatic or hydraulic power part. This is achieved with solenoid valves. In their function as final control elements, they are no different to normal pneumatic or hydraulic directional control or way valves. The difference is the way they are actuated. Solenoid valves are electrically controlled, so this is a so-called electropneumatic transducer. An electrical signal brings about a pneumatic action. The same in electrohydraulics. An electrical signal is converted into a hydraulic action. This hydraulic 4-stroke two-way valve clearly demonstrates the function of a solenoid valve. Switching from the initial position takes place as follows. On one side of the valve is a solenoid. Its core acts as an armature, exerting a force on the control piston of the valve. If the coil is energized, an electromagnetic field is produced. The armature is pulled against a spring to the middle of the coil. As a result, it pushes the control piston of the valve into the other switch position. The valve remains in this position as long as the electrical signal is present. When the current is interrupted, the magnetic field, and therefore the magnetic force, collapse. The return spring pushes the control piston and the armature back into the initial position. Here it is in practice: a push button, a solenoid valve, and a hydraulic cylinder. The signal is given. The cylinder extends. The LED indicates that current is flowing, that is, that a signal is present. Only now does the cylinder retract. These are the symbols. On the hydraulic side, the cylinder and the 4-stroke two-wave solenoid valve. On the electrical side, the push button and the solenoid valve, but shown differently, namely as an electrical symbol.